Hey there. So first of all, I just want to say thank you so much for your time. This video is going to be pretty brief. What I want to do is just take a quick minute and introduce our team because our team has grown a little bit, and I just want to share with you who's in our team and what their roles are because this involves all of our transactions, and we're just trying to provide better customer service for everyone. So first of all, I'm always going to be the first point of contact. If a client comes in, a buyer calls in, they have questions about going through the pre-approval process or they want to go through the pre-approval process, I'm always the first person that's going to talk to the client. And my goal here is really to ascertain any of the important details about their specific scenario from the beginning so that I can set us up for a successful pre-approval and hopefully a successful transaction from there. So the first person I'd like to introduce in our team is Grady Wynn. Grady is our pre-approval manager. After I've had the first phone call with the client and really gathered up the information that I need, Grady steps in and just kind of has really a handful of purposes here. So he manages the online application. If a client has any questions, maybe they're having difficulty with completing the online application, he's just there as a resource to answer any questions they have. Maybe they just don't have an ability to go through the online application, no problem. Grady will talk with them and kind of take that information over the phone. He also helps them out with the documentation and uploads. So we use a secure portal to gather a client's documents. If they have any questions on the utilization of this portal, he helps them out there as well. And if for some reason they can't upload documents and they need to FedEx them to us or drop by our office, Grady coordinates all that as well. So he's really there to make sure that the sufficient documentation is provided. They've gotten us everything that was needed from my original request so that once he has all that together, it gets handed back to me and I then have the consultation with the client about their initial pre-approval, mortgage programs, what rates are doing, maybe examples of monthly payments, cash to close, everything that's needed in their pre-approval so they can go out and look at houses with you and make sure they're looking at homes that are in the price range. Okay, that's step one. Step two is I'd like to introduce our loan manager. Stephanie DeCroy is now our loan manager in the office. Step two is when a client is under contract and they're ready to buy a house. So someone goes under contract, we get the contract from you. First thing that happens is I coordinate a time to talk with the client. I have a phone call with them. I answer any of the questions they have. I discuss with them an overview of the process of what they're going to experience from that contract all the way through closing, talking to them about the mortgage programs that really best meet their needs at that time, talk about interest rates, whether they should lock in or not lock in, finalize their loan application, and answer any questions they have. So I'm also still the person that's going to finalize their loan application and really handle that part. From there, I hand the file off to Stephanie, and Stephanie is really the one that handles all the disclosures. So we use DocuSign, so she handles all the DocuSign disclosures, orders the appraisals. If the property has an association, she deals with condo questionnaires, condo association approvals. She's also one that submits files, and she's really a go-to resource if we have any questions in this process from contract all the way through closing. So I just want to take a minute, kind of introduce everyone. I'm always available. Grady's available if you have pre-approval or new client type questions. Stephanie's available if you have questions about files that are in process. Thank you so much for your business. We truly appreciate you putting your trust into us. If you ever have any questions, reach out anytime. Have a great day.